Most people don't stay small because of bad genetics. They stay small because they follow terrible fitness advice pushed by the fitness industry. I know that because I made the same mistake for years. The worst part is a lot of these myths actually sound convincing, which is exactly why so many lifters stay stuck. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest gym myths keeping natural lifters small. The first myth is thinking more volume automatically means more muscle. It doesn't. More sets doesn't equal more growth. At a certain point, extra sets don't add stimulus. They just create fatigue and diminishing returns. Most people don't need more sets. They need better quality sets. Because what usually happens is that they do 3 to 4 sets per exercise, but only the first 1 or 2 are actually hard enough to drive growth. The rest are just average sets that don't push the muscle into real adaptation. After those hard sets, performance drops anyways, so instead of building more muscle, you're just making recovery harder and progress slower. The second myth is that you constantly need to switch exercises to shock the muscle. No, you don't. Your muscles don't need confusion, they need progression. And if you constantly switch exercises, you never master a movement long enough to actually get strong at it and progressively overload it. Instead, pick lifts that feel good, hit the muscle properly, and that you can progressively overload. Then stick with them long enough to actually improve. Because muscle only grows when you get stronger over time through progressive overload. That's all it is. The third myth is that you should always stop a few reps shy of failure to save fuel or optimize recovery. But most people are not training nearly as hard as they think they are. They stop the set as soon as it burns or slows down, and that's the problem. Muscle growth doesn't come from comfort. It comes from proximity to failure. Now, obviously, you don't need failure on every set, but most lifters are still leaving way too much in the tank. That gap is exactly why progress is slow. This is exactly why I preach the 2-set method. On the first set, just leave 0 to 1 reps shy of failure, and on the second set, go all the way to failure. This forces a real intensity, maximizes recruitment, and keeps volume under control. Most people would grow faster by just training harder, not training more. The fourth myth is that bulking faster builds muscle faster. It doesn't. This is one of the most common mistakes I see beginners make, and I've been guilty of myself. They think more calories automatically means more muscle, so they start dirty bulking, eating way above maintenance, and watching that scale shoot up. But most of that weight isn't muscle, it's just fat. And that's the problem. Your body doesn't build muscle any faster just because you're gaining weight faster. A dirty bulk is just a shortcut to a worse physique. Instead of speeding up progress, you just end up gaining extra fat, getting softer, and needing long cutting phases later. In reality, most natural lifters grow better with a slow, lean bulk, staying relatively lean whilst building muscle over time. And the final myth, which is probably the most damaging one mentally, is thinking you have bad genetics. Most people blaming genetics haven't even trained properly for 2 years consistently. They skip workouts, don't track lifts, don't recover properly, and have terrible diet, then blame genetics. But genetics is rarely the limit. Consistency is. Focus on what you can control. And as Mike Benser once said,
"Don't, however, worry about your individual potential. Potential is only the expression of a possibility, something that can be assessed accurately only in retrospect. In other words, you'll never know how good you might have become unless you try. So let's get with it."
In conclusion, building muscle is honestly so much simpler than the fitness industry makes it seem. Train hard, recover properly, progress over time, and stay consistent. That's it. And if this video helped, like and subscribe for more straight to the point fitness content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.